Good morning, folks. It is the 26th of October, 2021, and we are looking at the NASDAQ E-mini, and that is the December contract. And I had an order in. The way I trade I have two basic setups, and I traded one of them this morning. And that one was the first 5-minute candle. I let that form, and then I put a buy stop order in above the high of that, and with a 20-point take profit and a 5-point stop loss already automatically set in. So when it triggers, that means your stop loss and your take profit are set at the same time. So you can walk away, which I did this morning. Something came up. I had to leave the house for a little bit. I went ahead and left my order in. I came back to a $430 profit. And so let me just show you. I don't want you to think I'm telling stories here. So here we go. The Performance Center. This is a little scorecard from Tradovate, and you'll see I had one trade, 430 bucks, um, and it lasted 4 minutes. I wasn't even here to watch it. So that is one of my go-tos in the morning. I've just found I've had good success with it. And one thing you got to do with low risk trading, you got to keep your risk small, which is 100 bucks was what I was risking, and I made the 430. So that's it for me for the day of trading, and I am will be back at it tomorrow. And well, I'll have to check my calendar, make sure uh, I don't want to speak too soon. I don't trade on FOMC days, but I don't think it's tomorrow. So anyway, I hope you had a good trading day. I appreciate you watching my video, and I know it's a short one, but I made the profit. It was pretty clean. Not much more to expound on as far as what goes on or what went on. So I appreciate if you like click the like button and maybe subscribe to my channel. So have a good trading day, and we will hopefully see you tomorrow.